how to transfer money from Venmo to debit card. So if you want to basically transfer your money from Venmo to debit card, all you have to do is first of all open up your Venmo app and make sure that you've downloaded and logged in, and then simply open up the Venmo application there and you will see this type of interface. Now once you're here on the Venmo app, from the bottom right you'll find a little me option, so make sure to simply go to that me option that you'll be able to find there, right? Now from the me option on the top left you'll find an option called wallet, so simply make sure to go to the wallet option. As you go to the wallet option on the next page, you'll find an option that says add a banker card. So basically if you've already added, you'll find those existing ones here. If not, then you'll find the add a banker card section. Then all you have to do is simply tap on it and then make sure to add your bank account details or your card account details, and you can send money on Venmo using your debit card. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.